What's up? You see this? I put a new blower motor in there. I got the new blower motor in there because my old one failed. Saving myself like $1,500 doing myself. New blower motor, only $220. New blower motor, new capacitor, $4. Now all I gotta do is go back up in the attic, put this bad boy back in, we'll be back in business.
Thank God.
Okay, we freaking did it. We freaking did it. Check it out. I got the blower motor back in there, got it all sealed back up. It's running right now. It's pumping air. Woo! We got it. The air's coming out cold. It's coming out cold. That's all I could have asked for. We did it. We did it. Now I just got to put this last cover on and we'll be good to go. There we go. The cover is back on. We got it working. Honey Dino, I channeled your energy for this one. I channeled your energy. We fixed the fan motor blower in the air handler up here in the attic for my downstairs AC. Only spent $220 for the motor, $4 for the capacitor, and got it up and running. So I saved myself probably at least $1,000 at least. We did it. Gaming Dad out. Woo!